हेलो फ्रेंड, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कंपैरिजन ऑफ हाइड्रोलिक, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड न्यूमेटिक सिस्टम अकॉर्डिंग टू पावर टू वेट रेशियो in hydraulic power generation system. The power to weight ratio is highest, and in electrical it is moderate, and in pneumatic the ratio of power to weight ratio is lowest. According to size and stiffness, in hydraulic power generation system, size and stiffness is very high, and the size and stiffness of electrical power generation system is low, and the size and stiffness of pneumatic power generation system is very low. According to maintenance, hydraulic power generation system are require more maintenance, and electrical power generation system are required low maintenance, and pneumatic power generation system is required less maintenance. According to load application, in hydraulic heavy load application, in electrical medium load application, and in pneumatic power generation system low load application. According to range of operational speed, in hydraulic wide range of operational speed, in electrical less range of operational speed, and in pneumatic power generation system very less range of operational speed. According to responsibility of component, in hydraulic power generation system it has low reliability of component, and in electrical power generation system high reliability of component, and in pneumatic it is very high as compared to hydraulic and electrical. Response: hydraulic power generation system has good response, and electrical power generation system has higher response, and pneumatic has low response. According to path generation, in hydraulic power generation system has continuous path generation, and electrical power generation system has also continuous path generation, and pneumatic power generation system has point to point path generation. Generation of spark: there is in hydraulic power generation system there is no generation of spark, and in electrical power generation system generation of spark are possible, and in pneumatic power generation system generation of spark is no. According to accuracy, hydraulic power generation system has good accuracy, and electrical power generation system is high accuracy as compared to hydraulic and pneumatic, and pneumatic power generation system has low accuracy. That's all. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.